Hello everyone, welcome back to QuickFixTech. Today I'll show you how to uninstall any program or software from your Windows laptop or computer using two quick and easy methods. So if your PC is slow, storage is full, or you simply want to remove unwanted apps, this video will help you in just a few seconds. Let's get started.
First method is using the control panel. Go to the Windows search bar and type control panel. Open the control panel. Now click on programs and then select programs and features. Here you will see all installed software on your computers. Select the program you want to remove. Now simply right click on the software and click uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions and the software will be removed from your computer and done. Your program is successfully uninstalled. Now let's see the second and easiest method using Windows settings. Click on the start menu and open settings. Now click on apps. Select installed apps or apps and features depending on your Windows version. Find the software you want to remove. Click on the three dots. Now click on uninstall. Confirm the uninstall process and wait a few seconds. That's it. The application is now removed from your laptop or computer. So these were the two quick and easy ways to uninstall programs in Windows laptop or computer. And here's one extra pro tip. Sometimes after uninstalling a program, some leftover files still remain inside your computer. To check that, open this PC, go to C drive, open the program files folder or program files x86 folder, find the particular software folder. If you still see that folder and it's no longer needed, simply delete it. If Windows is not allowing you to delete the folder, then restart your laptop or computer and try deleting it again. This helps free up extra storage and keeps your PC clean and optimized. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to QuickFixTech for more useful tech tips and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.